Howdy folks, we're doing another box opening here. You can find me at the intersection of Highway 4 and Highway 7 in Cosmos, Minnesota. And let's open up and see what we got today. And this is gonna, I know exactly what is in here, and this qualifies that I buy and sell stuff. We got a couple, we got about a dozen brand new Zippo lighters. Beautiful, brand new in what is called street chrome. So check them out, come on down. It's just part of our other stuff. $15. Thanks guys.